Hi, a student has asked me to review question 3 of the chapter review. And that is writing your linear equations from worded. Now, linear equations are just simply mathematical sentences. And here we have two sentences. The product of 4 and n is equal to the sum of 4 and n. So what you need to first of all is understand the symbols and the words, how are they linked. So for instance, the word product, what does that mean? Ah, you've heard that when we are, that's right, multiplying. What about the sum of? That is when we are adding. We have things like less than, so it might be 4 less than, that be subtracting, or even the difference. What's the difference between n and the difference of n and 7? That'd be again subtraction. So we just got to look at the words and converting them to mathematical symbols. And we also have things like 1/3. 1/3 would be, of course, divided by 3. Here we have twice. What do you think that might mean? And of course, the classic one is equal to. So it's just simply a case of going through the sentence and slowly converting the words into mathematical symbols. So let's just do a quick example. Um, the sum of 3 and x is equal to 1/3 the difference of x and 5. All right, so let's go through the process. So let's convert first of all. I'll go to a different color, so I'd go green. So first thing is equal to is right smack in the middle. So let's put that smack in the middle. And so we've got one side we have the quick sentence, the sum of 3 and x. Do you understand what the sum of means? The sum means to plus. So we need to take the 3 and the x and plus them together. On the other side, we have 1/3. So this means 1/3 times. But remember, it's 1/3 of everything. So we better throw it in brackets. And the difference of x and 5. Remember, the difference of x is subtract. So x minus 5. So we have x plus 3 equals 1/3 brackets x minus 5. Or some people might say x plus 3 is equal to, that was the difference of x minus 5, and we needed 1/3, or in other words, divided by 3. And so that's how we turn those. These are two very straightforward examples, and that's all we expect from you this year. Hope that helps.